Hi friends, welcome to Tea and Space. I love tea. During this time of lockdown in England, hope you're all staying indoors. I've been enjoying my cups of tea or chai. I would like to share some tea recipes that are thought to help in building body's defense against viral infections like flu. One such tea is ginger tea or ginger chai. Ingredients for 1 cup of tea are a small pan, 1 cup of water, 1 heaped teaspoon of black loose tea or a tea bag, ginger to taste, 1 to 2 cloves, milk is optional, a sieve if you're using loose tea leaves, a grater for the ginger, and sugar is optional. I take the pan and put 1 cup of water, put the heat to full, I take some ginger, peel it, and you can either cut some ginger or grate some ginger in the water. You can also add 1 clove. Both ginger and cloves are thought to have antiviral properties and hence very helpful in flu. Once water boils for a few minutes to ensure that the essence of ginger and clove is mixed in the boiling water, I put 1 teaspoon of loose black dry tea leaves, and put it in the pan. As an alternative, you can put any tea bag of your choice. After the tea leaves have brewed well, I put some milk and boil this again. You can have this concoction without milk, or if you prefer, you can use dairy-free alternatives like almond milk or coconut milk, but I like this particular tea with a few tablespoons of full fat milk. Once this mixture has boiled again, this tea is ready. I pour the tea into a cup through a sieve. If you prefer, you can add sugar to taste. I like my tea without sugar. I take it to my favorite space at home and enjoy. Hope you enjoy your tea as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Bye.